7218 Nordic Lights. So I'm seeing this color in many places. It looks like they painted a lot of areas. So we love screen doors. We do need to get the right blinds in here. So from right here, I can see we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blinds, including those 2 really narrow windows. It's been completely remodeled. We have beautiful high baseboards and a color that's great because I can't tell if it's tan or gray, so it appeals to just about everyone. It's a little dirty, but you know, we have quartz counters, undermount sink, gooseneck faucets. They've painted the cabinets and not the hinges and upgraded the cabinet pulls. So we have a lot going on here for this property. And they've even put some tiles around the fireplace to update it. Oh, we need new sliders on that. It's really hard to open. So it looks like they carried the color through these posts. It's a great backyard. This side of the house gets the morning sun. It's great that we already have the concrete slab and some rocks in place. They've painted this as well. Upgraded light fixture. We have a little picture window for light over there. And a little small animal door. Upgraded sconces. We need a shower rod in here. Replace that drain ring. $65, and it's a very small improvement considering they've already done just about everything else. Replace that. So they've done the big stuff. We have these quartz counters, undermount sinks, painted cabinets. They did paint the hinges in here, but it's fine. No one's really going to look at that. And then update the towel bar as well. 2 new blinds in this room. I would change the closet rings to match the hardware throughout the property, but that's absolutely the property manager's call, not mine. So it's nice that they brought this tile through the laundry room all the way to the other end of the house. Chamberlain garage door opener. Okay. Just a note, they did paint the hinges in here as well. So we have double doors to the master and a blind there. Windows foggy, really high ceilings, it's a beautiful fan. We need a shower rod in here too. Cabinets and hinges were painted, but it looks pretty good. Okay, so that's that.